Hi, I'm Ruby. Today, I'll show you how to create an announcement bar on Shopify in 3 styles: marquee, slider, or static. You can also use it to direct customers to any page you choose. Currently, there are 3 ways to set it up. First, your theme's built-in bar. It's free and fine for the basics, but it shows the same message on every page to every customer with limited styling. Second, a dedicated announcement bar app. These offer more features, but it also means another app to install and another subscription to pay for. And third, a smart choice is an announcement bar built directly into a promotion app. For example, if you already use BOGOS, free Gift Bundle Upsell app to run sales offers, you can just use its built-in announcement bar to promote them without adding another app. BOGOS supports static, marquee, and slider styles, along with page and customer location targeting, and so much more. Today, I'll show you how to set it up with BOGOS app. The good news is that this feature is included in its free plan. Grab it via the link in my description. Alright, let's get started. Inside BOGOS app, head over to Boosters and click Announcement Bar. On the right, you'll see a live mobile preview. Click Show Full Width to preview on desktop. Now, give your bar a name for internal use. Next, choose your display mode between static, marquee, and slider. Then comes the Content section, where you customize the content on your bar. Under Content Source, choose between Manual, where you type the message yourself, or Offers, where BOGOS app pulls the text directly from your offer title. It also syncs with the offer status, so when the offer is deactivated, the message is automatically hidden too. As the setup depends on the display mode, let me walk you through each one. With the static style, you can enter just one message or choose one offer. You can also quickly add an emoji here, then choose what happens when customers click the bar. No action, show a button, or make the entire bar clickable. Next, add the destination link. Turn on Open in New tab to open the link separately, or leave it off to stay in the current tab. Second up is Marquee. You can add multiple messages by clicking Add Message or select multiple offers. To change the order of your messages, just drag the handle. Now, if you want customers to go somewhere when they click, all messages use the same redirect link, whether you add a button or make the entire bar clickable. Then, right below, you'll find the marquee settings to choose which direction the messages scroll, right to left or left to right. Set how fast the messages scroll from 1 to 100. Turn on Stop Scrolling when hover, so it pauses when a customer hovers over the bar. The third style is Slider, which lets you add multiple rotating messages. Each message can have its own redirect link. In the slider settings, you can customize the arrow icon. Turn on auto sliding to let your messages rotate all by themselves every few seconds you set. You can also set the sliding direction and pause the slider when customers hover over it. Move on to the Style tab, which offers many customization options. Start with the position. You've got 5 options here. Top places it right above your header. Top Fixed keeps it locked to the top the whole time people scroll. Top shows on scroll up, bringing it back only when someone scrolls back up. Bottom Fixed sticks it to the bottom of the screen instead. Bottom shows on scroll down, reveals it as people scroll down. For the typography, you can inherit your store's font, or pick a Google font from the available options here. You can also set the font size separately for message and button size, as well as for desktop and mobile. Below is where you customize the bar color. One highlighted part is the bar background style, as I can set a solid color, a gradient, or even an image with a soft blur behind your text. Finally, adjust the top and bottom padding for desktop and mobile, so the bar doesn't feel too tight. Next, let's head over to the Placement tab to control the bar's visibility. You can show it on all pages, or just the ones you want, like your home page and collection pages. Filter by location helps you display or exclude the bar to specific countries. When everything looks good, click Save. And your announcement bar with the BOGOS app is now live. BOGOS also lets you track how it performs. Click the Analytics icon next to the bar to view 2 key metrics. Impressions show how many shoppers saw your bar. Click-through rate shows the percentage of shoppers who clicked on it after seeing it. But please notice that the analytics cover the last 30 days. And that's the end of this video. Subscribe and comment on a tutorial you want. My next video will be about it.